What's up, YouTube? Welcome back, or we're back, or whatever you want to call it. It's been forever since I posted a video. We've got a lot going on, had a lot going on. Just a lot of cool things happening here in the shop. We just got back from the semi-casual truck show. We got an opportunity to be a part of that, making some awesome trophies. We're still doing CNC machining. Got new machines, as I'll show you here in a minute. Standing out here on the back porch of the shop right now, but we were asked to make some trophies for the semi-casual guys, Tommy and Brian, for their truck show this past weekend. We just got back from that. It was really awesome. Show you guys some footage of that. Didn't have a lot of time to video, but got a little bit of cool footage. A lot of awesome trucks. Was there, had a good turnout. It was a pleasure to work with those guys, but just want to give you guys a quick update video of what's been happening, where I've been, some big updates, big news. Basically, I quit my job. I'm going to do fabrication and machining full time. Can't wait to attack that and make things happen. We got a lot of cool projects. I'll show you a few that we're working on right now. I'll show you the new machines and kind of what we have planned for the future of my YouTube channel, social media, and everything else. But like I said, we'll go in here in the shop and check out what's going on. So let's go on in and see what's happening. We got our new lathe. As you can see, ignore the mess, but we're running a Haas ST30Y Y-axis lathe with a bar feeder. For those of you that don't know, the bar feeder allows you to load bars and bars and bars of material. Say you're making a part, and this thing can run non-stop, lights out, making parts all day and all night. Super accurate. But we've got the lathe set up. We did have a small VF2. It is now gone, and we've replaced it with this VF4. This thing's an absolute workhorse. Everything's turned off right now. We just got back from out of town, but we got 50 inches of X travel, a lot bigger work envelope, which is going to allow us to make a lot bigger parts, side-by-side parts, radius rods, suspension parts, for any kind of cool projects we're going to do. It's just fits us better for what we were doing. The VF2 was a great machine. I kind of wish we still had it. We may get another one of these days, but this one's, for now, is where we need to be able to do the parts we're making. We've got some more cool tools coming this next week. I can't wait to show you guys those. We got, like I said, up here we got a few projects. We got the extended cab, and we went to Moab a couple weeks ago, about a month ago now. And the extended cab, let's just say that's nothing major, but the roof, the flag is now waving. Tree kicker's got a pretty big bend in it, but I'll post a picture. We had a little rollover, nothing crazy. It's a pretty good roll, but begun our day on the roof, and then we rode another 40 plus miles. So we got the plasma table. These 3 boxes here are something you guys have seen before. That I ended up selling. This is another Razor chassis kit. We've got a customer that is wanting basically a 2-seat trail / race Razor buggy. So we're gonna knock that out. It's gonna have full hydraulic steering. It's gonna be pretty sweet build. I'm gonna document that. Be a lot of videos on that build coming up. Probably gonna start it in a couple weeks. We got a cage Razor coming in next week, Tuesday, Wednesday time frame for cage. So kind of do this We've got, again, pardon the mess, like I said, we got a lot of work going on this Jeep. This is my buddy's JK, Rock Doc. If you don't know him, it's Joe Ashburn. But anyway, he's super big into the JK world, which I am not, so I'm learning as I go. I know enough to get me in trouble, so we are actually working together on this. He's coming over, we're working on it, try to do some more documentation. We've already got it tore down. He's doing a full PSC hydraulic steer kit. Only downfall is he is running an axle that nobody really makes a kit for. It's a Dana 60 Ultimate axle. So what we're doing is on these knuckles, the factory arm comes out this direction for your drag link and everything. And we're gonna make this an arm here, and this will be double shear on both sides. So do the same thing on this side. He's gonna have double shear knuckles with his double-ended ram, and then we're gonna fabricate a bar plate for the ram to mount to. He's got all the hardware. This thing is a beast. Try to show you guys some more on this Jeep. I don't know a whole lot about it. I know it's just it's running the stock engine, King coilovers, bump stops. It's a pretty sweet build. Might try to get a quick interview with him on what all's done to this thing once we get it done, but it's definitely a trail machine. It's running 42-inch pit bull rockers. Very crazy looking tire. It definitely got some miles on them. He is not easy on this machine, as you can see. I said all his suspension's beat up, which, like I always say, we don't build them to look at, we build them to wheels. So, but anyway, it's just kind of again, the shop's a mess. Still finishing up some electrical on the machines that are coming in next week. Like I said, we got a lot of cool projects. We got, like I said, the Razor chassis, got a few cages. Gonna start doing some more roll cage builds, Razor stuff, any Can-Am, KRX, any kind of side-by-side stuff. I'm gonna do some custom stuff, may do some cool builds with like Harbor Freight Predator engines. Gonna do some kits, like some weld it yourself kits. If you guys have anything you want to see me build, definitely want to build a cross cart at some point. That's kind of been like a bucket list thing of mine, is some sort of cross cart with say a sport bike engine, or I don't know, some kind of cool power plant, and just kind of make this awesome no holds bar powerhouse that's just crazy stupid. But again, and we got parts here that we're working on. Gonna be working on for the semi-casual guys and Fitzgerald Peterbilt, pedals and door plates and all kinds of stuff. I mean, we got endless projects, man. It's going well so far. This is my second week being fully self-employed. I've been doing this for about almost 4 years on the side, and it was time to make the leap. That's probably one of the main reasons that I haven't posted much content, is because I've just been so busy with life and work. So now this is, I don't really consider this a job. I consider this a hobby that I can do for a living, and I'm super pumped to see where it takes me in the next years to come and what kind of opportunities this brings. But I want to thank you guys that have subscribed, and the future subscribers. I hope you guys like and subscribe. Again, the content will get a lot more interesting. This has just kind of been an update for what's going on and where I've been, and I just want to say thanks. Still getting a few new subscribers here and there, and I ain't even really posted anything. So hopefully you guys show your love, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for some awesome builds. Again, I'm going to show some a little bit of footage from the semi-casual truck show that we went to this weekend, and all the cool trucks and trophies that we made, and stay tuned for that. Again, thanks, like, subscribe, and we'll be posting. Thanks.